Hello. Let me be honest with you. I'm just a construction worker. I know nothing about coding or video editing, but what you're watching right now is a video made with AI and a server I'm building. My dream was to be a programmer, but the programming book I saved up to buy, I couldn't read it because I didn't know English. I gave up after a few pages. Construction, interior, carpentry, wallpaper, flooring, plumbing, 23 years. I've done it all. Now I'm raising 4 kids and working as a delivery rider. I always needed extra income even while working. It had to be something I could do from home with my kids. I once had some free time and ran a game server, so I thought, why not try again? But I couldn't afford to hire a developer. All I had was what I picked up watching developers work. Back when I briefly ran that server, the only option was to code it myself. And that's when I found Claude Code. I give it commands and it codes for me. It was amazing. I signed up for the Affordable Pro plan and started building. The results blew my mind. AI was turning my ideas into reality. But I hit a wall. The AI kept forgetting. It would ignore rules I just told it 5 minutes ago. The longer the conversation, the worse it got. After about 30 minutes of working together, it would lose context or just ignore what we discussed. So I built my own solution. I broke tasks into steps, created a tag search system, and after a lot of trial and error, I built an engine that force injects memory into AI. I only pay for the AI subscription. Every time a problem came up, I built a solution with AI. Now all those solutions became one system. The AI told me, this is no longer the level of a regular AI user. This is someone who understands and designs systems. This is AI automation. So I'm going for it. AI automation engineer. I gave AI memory, gave them roles, and built my own team of AIs. Jeannie, Cheney, Jenny, Lizzie, and even Gangton LOL. The challenge starts now. My server now has 26 custom resources. These used to cost money to buy from developers. Now 4A is work as a team. Ginny analyzes, Ginny codes, Ginny creates images, and Lizzie listens to my voice and delivers it to the AIs. There is no developer. It's just me. Let me say this again. I don't know how to code. And I've released the core engine of this system to the world for the first time. It's called Context Feeder. Anyone can use it for free. I built a game server, but this system isn't just for games. Whether it's a website, an app, or a video, you can use it for most things you command Claude Code to do. The purpose is different, but the method is the same. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to know English. You just need to not give up. In the next video, I'll show you how my 4A's work as a team, and the actual process behind it. On this channel, I'll share the system I built and how I use AI. Your support means the world to me. Thank you.